Oh, that's brilliant. Well, that's the sort of thing that we've...
Love.
Yep, good play.
4 love.
I have to say, Sukamolio in some of the tournaments this year has been lacking his usual sparkle. He's so sort of the Sukamolio role. Oh, wonderful. Good placement of the smash from Gideon.
4.
Yeah.
Service over. 5.
Pace. Force the error. Right into the corner from Sukamolio.
Service over.
So that he could no longer, it was no longer possible to work with Coach Harry. They've since apologised.
12.
Oh my goodness. That's more like the Sukamolio that dominated world badminton. Oh, well taken.
Out. Game.
Service error. His second from Koga. Gifts the opening game. But it's interesting, I was talking yesterday when I called that menu. The easing of the burden of expectation of, oh my goodness, that's been heaped on this Indonesian pair. Yeah, again, it's a softer attacking. Yeah, stood his ground, Sukamolio.
3.
Oh, my word.
Service over. Come on.
Yeah, perfect placement from Gideon.
7.
Right in between.
Service over.
Yeah, well taken. Make that look easy, but I don't think it was as easy as he made it look. Yeah.
Service over. 5 to 4, please. Service over. 16. Well.
Yeah. It was the wrong choice of shot to lift back to around the head position of Gideon. I say mobile, but that's not the right expression. I think at the front of the court he's become a bit static. He's adjusting his positioning in this rally. That's much better. In the previous rally, good flick serve. 21-17, 21-15, the margin of the victory for the 3-time finalists and 2-time champions, Gideon and Sukamolio. 38 minutes for the victory. And the only former champions left in the draw.
Match won by Marcus Fernandez
In the men's
Gideon
doubles
and
discipline.
Kevin Sanjay
Brilliant.
Sukamola.
Brilliant flick serve.